Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how a seller can verify his profile so that he can sell his services in Qixer marketplace. Let's jump into the seller dashboard. Scroll down, go to profile verify page. Now upload a national ID card and upload your address documentation like utility bill and other stuff. Then need to send verify request. Once seller put all the information, it will be go to the admin panel for the verification process. Once admin verify this, seller will be get notified by email, and also seller will able to add services for that. This is all for the process of seller verify profile. Once seller verify the profile, he will see a check mark here in the front end. So that's all for now. See you in next videos.